Are you looking for the best Thunderbolt 4 docking station? Thunderbolt 4 docking stations have become essential for modern workflows, offering a single cable to drive multiple displays, fast data transfer, and power delivery. As laptops evolve with higher resolution displays and professional peripherals, a capable dock can simplify your desk setup, reduce clutter, and enable sustained performance across peripherals. In this comparison, I test 5 widely available Thunderbolt 4 docks from Lenovo, Dell, Ugreen, and Amazon Basics to evaluate display capabilities. Product number 1, Amazon Basics Thunderbolt 4/USB 4 Pro Docking Station Overview. The Amazon Basics Pro Dock is a compact, budget-friendly Thunderbolt 4 dock that emphasizes essential expansion with 2 downstream TB4 ports, HDMI 2.1 output, and a trio of USB-A ports. It supports dual 4K at 60 Hz displays and dynamic power delivery up to 96 watts, making it a solid choice for users who want a slim dock without sacrificing the basics. The included Thunderbolt 4 cable and power adapter add to its value, and its travel-friendly form factor makes it attractive for mobile professionals. Notable constraints include potential bandwidth sharing when multiple high-bandwidth devices are active concurrently, and the need to verify laptop compatibility for dual 4K output. Performance-wise, the dock relies on Thunderbolt 4's 40 gigabits per second bandwidth shared among displays, PCIe data, and network traffic. For users connecting 2 4K monitors, ensure your laptop and GPUs can sustain 4K at 60 Hz on both outputs. Some configurations may default to a single 4K if bandwidth is constrained. The 96W PD is sufficient for many Ultrabooks, but may be inadequate for power-hungry gaming laptops that require more than 96W, triggering overload protection. In daily use, expect stable Ethernet at up to 2.5 gigabits per second and reliable USB-A 3.1 connections for peripherals. However, mass data transfers across multiple ports may experience minor thermal throttling. The unit can reach around 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Product number 2, Ugreen Thunderbolt 4 Dock, 8-in-1 40 gigabits per second TB4 hub. 3. Overview. The Ugreen 8-in-1 TB4 dock is a feature-packed hub with 3 TB4 ports, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, Ethernet, and a substantial 140-watt charger that enables up to 85-watt laptop charging. Its capability to drive either 2 4K at 60 Hz displays or a single 8K display provides flexibility for mixed environments, Windows or Mac. The dock size is larger than ultra-portables, but the build supports robust multi-display setups. It emphasizes high throughput and versatility, which appeals to power users who need extensive peripheral support from a single device. Performance analysis shows strong bandwidth headroom with 40 gigabits per second per TB4 link, enabling 2 4K at 60 Hz displays on supported systems. Mac users with newer chips can often drive 2 4K displays, while Windows devices benefit from the 3 TB4 outputs for a multi-monitor workstation. The 140-watt GAN charger eliminates the need for a separate power brick, though you must rely on the included charger to sustain charging while in use. Thermal behavior.
Product number 3, Lenovo ThinkPad Universal Thunderbolt 4 Dock. Overview. Lenovo's ThinkPad Universal TB4 dock emphasizes enterprise-grade management with features like Dock Manager and remote firmware updates while delivering robust display support, up to 4 4K at 60 Hz via DP 1.4, HDMI 2.1, and Thunderbolt 4. It supports up to 100-watt dynamic power charging, which helps keep high-powered ThinkPad laptops topped off. The dock's slim form factor, 6 by 3 by 1 inches, and integrated management capabilities make it appealing for corporate environments where IT oversight is a priority. In daily usage, the ThinkPad Universal TB4 dock offers stable multi-display performance, particularly for Windows-based machines. The dynamic power charging up to 100 watts ensures many business laptops stay charged without needing a second power supply, though the exact wattage delivered can vary by laptop. The presence of 2 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 HDMI 2.1, and 1 Thunderbolt 4 downstream port provides flexible layouts, albeit with a lesser total port count on USB-A compared to some competitors. Remote management and vPro support can translate into smoother IT administration.
Product number 4, Dell Pro Thunderbolt 4 Smart Dock SD25TB4 USB-C Station 130-watt Overview. Dell's SD25TB4 is a premium multi-display dock that emphasizes strong video throughput, up to 4 4K displays via HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, USB-C, and TB4, and high power delivery, 130 watt for Dell docks, 96 watt for others. It includes dual Thunderbolt 4 ports and a suite of management features, Dell Console, Intel AMT for remote administration, as well as Wi-Fi and a sustainability-forward build, 65% recycled plastic, recycled packaging. The design aims at enterprise-grade reliability with a focus on security and remote support. In practice, the SD25TB4 excels for professional setups requiring multiple high-resolution displays and robust network options, 2.5 gigabit E. The 130-watt Dell charging capability is a standout feature for Dell-only ecosystems, but Dell notes 96-watt for non-Dell machines, so verify your notebook's power needs. The dock's security features, WPA3, PXE, DMA protection, add value in corporate settings. However, its weight and slightly larger footprint, 8.07 by 3.54 by 1.39 inches, mean it occupies more desk real estate than some rivals, though its build quality feels premium.
Product number 5. Dell Thunderbolt 4 Dock WD22TB4 Overview. The WD22TB4 is Dell's more modular approach to docking, with swappable module capability and a rich port lineup: 2 TB4, 2 DP 1.4, HDMI 2.0, USB-C/USB-A, Ethernet. It emphasizes expandability and a strong 40 gigabit per second data path, designed for users who may upgrade modules over time. The 180-watt power adapter supports broader charging needs, and the dock aims to maximize productivity with a broad range of display and peripheral support. In real-world use, the WD22TB4 provides solid performance for multi-monitor workflows and peripheral connectivity. The presence of 2 TB4 ports and multiple DisplayPort outputs makes it versatile for complex layouts. A potential drawback for some is the older HDMI 2.0 output by HDMI, which limits bandwidth compared to HDMI 2.1 on newer models. However, the overall 40 gigabit per second data path remains robust for most tasks.